Alright. Oh, his Twitter at ZSS sucks?
Yep.
Alright, what is your opinion of ZSS right now? Because, like...
I think solid hyper.
I mean, I still think she's top tier, but that's...
I mean, like... It's not so much...
check, or are they...
No, they're going at it. They just do that sometimes, you know, swing the wrong way.
I mean, I'm of the opinion that, like, if ZSS players had the same mindset as Sonic players, where they're just committed to timing everyone out, then ZSS would be, like, top 5. But no one does that.
The problem is ZSS is, like, too inconsistent. Yeah. Like, with her hit combos. Like, even if you do everything right, it just doesn't work. But she's still very good. Like, I think she's definitely, like, top 20. For sure. But anyway.
I mean, some people's definition, top 20 is still top tier.
I mean, to me, like, top 10 is top tier?
I mean, there's just so many good characters in this game. It's hard to, like, define. But... Oh,
like,
nice.
for example, I think Mario's borderline tier. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, you definitely meant to go to work.
So there was a stage, like, a few months ago where Grimm was actually doing what she said, camping out the quarters. Even if he didn't have the lead, he would still do it. Yeah. But lately he's been very aggressive. Ooh, I thought he was gonna reverse it.
I thought he was just gonna down there right there.
That is something Grimm will do.
Oh, I've never seen someone recover with a side deal like that.
Yeah, usually it's not sludge. Grimm is doing such a good job at facing around Surehyper.
He almost died to Wolf there.
Well, 200, you're gonna die to Wolf down throw. By the ledge.
Does it actually kill?
I think. At that high percent, probably.
I mean, back throw, yeah, back throw cross.
Or back throw.
Probably kill.
You don't see down throw because back throw would kill anywhere anyway.
Oh. How often do these two play?
A lot. Like, there's been 50 NXTs, I think. They played in almost everyone.
What's the, like, set record?
I think it's currently Grimm taken. But Surehyper's definitely took a few.
That side is also, like, completely unpunished.
Yeah. The problem is Grimm's game plan just completely countered Surehyper. Like, Surehyper wants to approach, he wants to get that hit, lead to a stylish little kick. And Grimm completely contents taking him out with their side beam. It's very hard for Surehyper to do anything.
Oh, that was it.
Also, I thought he was getting there.
P-Town and kicking to Station 2. Scrub goes on P-Town's opponent's side.
I mean, if Surehyper recovered low there, I have no doubt he would have just down-aired him.
Grimm with the lead, could do anything. I hate how sick that job is. Nice update. Yeah, the thing is, if Grimm gets his, if Surehyper gets his spot right now, it's going to be a very serious spot.
But I mean, Grimm's defense is just,
It is.
That's incredible. His defense is really impressive. Which I feel like is one of the strong suits about ZSS people don't really talk about. Because she can, like, zone you out with, like, Zairs and stuff.
Definitely.
And then
I mean, usually when people think of ZSS, they think of Mars, you know, the aggressive Pep King goes for...
I mean, I feel like people still look at ZSS through like the Smash 4 lens, where she's like this super combo heavy character or whatnot, when like she's completely, I wouldn't say completely, but like very different. Like,
But in this game, I feel like she's capable of doing both.
yeah. But like, she's definitely not like death comboing you
I mean,
unless
of
she gets
course,
in
like,
there.
in Smash 4, we had Rage, and that was super polarizing.
Oh, I did not know her crouch goes under the laser.
Ryler and KJ, Station 6.
She's small and skinny. Yeah, again, like they said before, Grimm's defense is just so good.
Okay, combo.
And I feel like Surehyper is not happy going for these combos, you know? Because usually he loves to put people in tech chasers, go after them, kill them at 40. But I feel like Grimm is forcing him to play the chip damage game. And that's not really a strong suit.
But he's playing at like, oh. But he has combo?
That's paralyzer.
But he's playing at like the perfect range where he's like out of range of Wolf back air, but then he can like pressure with Zip and stuff.
Oh, in other words, zero suit outranges Wolf.
Yes.
Yeah, what's the Wolf do there?
I mean, Wolf's out of shield game is not particularly strong either. So.
Yeah, it's critical whoever takes the shot.
Kill.
Now things get... Oh, never mind. Beautiful save that play.
Yes, that's at 150s dies to anything from Wolf.
Thank God. Oh, tech chase? He should have landed on it. In my opinion. Ooh. Oh no. Yeah. Trapper's gotta make something happen.
Isaiah.
Oh,
Ooh.
the footstool there.
That was sick.
Moxie, Techmaster, Station 4.
Nice.
Grimm's just like not giving Surehyper anything to work with because he's like, even when Surehyper gets a hit, he like makes sure he is unable to like extend it more.
Yeah. Grimm is so mobile. Oh, yeah, what does Surehyper do? Oh, I thought I was going to be fair backer.
Oh, battle!
Well, that was close. Super clean gameplay from Grimm.